An alleged killer on trial for the cold case murder of a Grand Rapids woman raped 2 girls at knife point in 1980. One of those early victims, who was 16 when Gary Artman raped her, faced him in a Grand Rapids courtroom today.
Artman is on trial for the rape and murder of 29-year-old Sharon Hammock, who was found strangled, stabbed, and bound off 76th Street on October 3rd of 1996.
Target 8 investigator Susan Samples tells us closing arguments are now set for tomorrow. Susan.
The prosecution rested this afternoon. Gary Artman's defense attorney is not presenting any witnesses, so the jury will likely begin deliberations tomorrow after closing arguments in the morning. In a Kent County courtroom today, a woman, now 59, took the stand to testify that Gary Artman repeatedly raped her and her friend at knife point in 1980. Gary Artman, now 65 years old, spent 11 years in prison for sexually assaulting those 2 teenagers and a third woman he raped in a separate incident. Artman was in his early 20s at the time, had just returned home from the Marines when the 2 teens, 16 and 17, happened to spot him in St. Clair, Michigan. One of those teens, testifying today in Artman's Grand Rapids murder trial, said she and her friend asked Artman if he had a joint. He said he would help them find one, but instead he raped them repeatedly in one of the girls' cars. The witnesses said she could not remember the actual rapes because she blocked it out, having been sexually abused as a child as well.
My survival mode was to go into another zone. So when something like that happened, I just went somewhere else. So I don't remember that part of it. I remember before, I remember right after, I remember running to the lady's house, I remember going to the hospital, and I remember going to court to put him away.
A Kent County Sheriff's detective read from a letter Artman allegedly wrote when he got to jail in 1980. He also testified about the many journal writings police found in Artman's Florida storage unit. That's the same unit where the detective said they found women's underwear and lingerie. But first, that letter the detective said Artman wrote from jail 40+ years ago.
I thought about why I raped all those girls last night. I mean, the real deep down underlying motive. Every time I do that, I always come up with the same thing. I wanted to be loved, to be held, to be touched by someone. Through the course of reviewing some of these journals and writings, you could tell there was a general theme of a hatred of women, and he looked at the women as slaves, and that he was a master of slaves.
The jury also heard today from a woman who said Artman admitted to her in the early 2000s he had killed before. Jurors heard also from a DNA analyst who walked them through testing that found evidence of Artman's DNA inside his alleged victim, 29-year-old Sharon Hammock, under her fingernails and on the blanket that was wrapped around her when her body was discovered in October 1996. Closing arguments start in the morning.